Today, Gulnaz Latifova, the mother of former State Special Protection Service employee Asif Latifov, held a press conference at the IRFS in protest against the illegal dismissal of his son from his job. Asif Latifov was dismissed from his job allegedly for service mismatch in last March, having served for 17 years for this body. This happened 3 months after the president had awarded him a medal for faultless service. She told that his son was dismissed due to the unfriendly relations between him and his chief Fikret Rizayev, who is a relative of the head of the presidential security team, Beyler Eyyubov. Latifov cannot find employment despite his applications to different bodies for job. Latifov reported that Rizayev regularly demanded him to pay 30 manats per month. He had reported to higher circles about it, but did not get any response. After being fired, he exposed some faults in the activities of the State Special Protection Service, which angered his former chiefs. Last summer, Latifov was summoned to the State Prosecutor's Office and a criminal case was opened against him. Later his case was transferred to the Military Prosecutor's Office. There he was charged under Article 228.1, illegal possession and transportation of firearms, and Article 232.2.3, extortion of a weapon by person using service position. According to Gulnaz Latifova, Amir Rahimov, the investigator of the Military Prosecutor's Office, told Asif Latifov that he will be arrested and that his arrest had been ordered by State Special Protection Service, said Vakif Akhundov. In March this year, Asif Latifov appealed to the court deeming his release under the Section E of the Article 156 unfounded. Sabail District Court ruled for the State Special Protection Service and Baku Appeals Court upheld this ruling. Gulnaz Latifova said that they are expecting the decision from the Supreme Court. Later on they are going to bring the case to the European Human Rights Court.